Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am here with the introduction of a new training course. This course is for all creativity lovers. Whether you are a beginner and want to start learning Photoshop, an intermediate user who wants to become more professional, or even a designer, photographer, and artist looking for advanced techniques, this masterclass will turn you into a real Photoshop expert. This course, with about 20,000 students and a rating of 4.2, is considered a successful one. Its price is currently around €12. By purchasing this course, you can fully own it and benefit from its future updates. The duration of this course is 4.5 hours. In this course you will learn how to change color of object, how to add gradient fading transparent on any image, stealing colors and Adobe color themes, how to use layer masks, how to fake motion on your photos. Now I have an exciting offer for you, and I want to give you this practical course for free and completely legal. To see how this works, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Now just open your browser and type couponcenter5.com in Google search. In the results shown to you, click on this link. Make sure the site address is exactly the same as shown here, and you are directed to couponcenter5.com. After clicking the link, you will be taken to the main page of the site. On this site, you can access various discount coupons for courses. And from the search section, find the course you want. Now you can see your desired course here. To get the discount coupon for this course, scroll down and click the Go to the Course button. The course will be available to you for free. Please note that the coupon has a time limit. Now you were able to access this course for free and legally with just a few clicks. If this video was useful for you, like and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.